Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix high system storage on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search device care. For example, this is device care. Click on device care and click on storage and cache. Clear cache device care, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings, click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So last solution is factory data reset. Click on settings app, click on system and click on reset phone and click on factory data reset. Erase all data, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix high system storage on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.